If your idea of home involves sky-high ceilings and sun-drenched spaces, this EVANSTON loft is your new sanctuary. Step inside this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom loft and immediately feel the difference. With its unique design, part of a transformed racquetball court building, this apartment features soaring 10-foot ceilings and an open layout that bathes every corner in natural light. Imagine cooking in a gourmet kitchen equipped with 42-inch cabinets, sleek stainless steel appliances and luxurious quartz countertops. Whether you're a culinary master or just love the idea of cooking in style, this kitchen has got you covered. The expansive living area is perfect for entertaining or just unwinding after a long day. Beautiful hardwood floors stretch throughout, inviting you to decorate and make the space your own. Retreat to one of the 3 spacious bedrooms, each designed to offer comfort and tranquility. Plenty of closet space ensures you have all the room you need for your things. The 2 modern bathrooms are beautifully updated, providing both style and convenience. You'll love starting and ending your day in these serene spaces. Location is everything, and this loft puts you right where you want to be. Steps away from shopping, a variety of restaurants, and easy access to transportation make commuting a breeze. And let's not forget the amenities: available parking, in-unit laundry facilities, and secured entry add extra layers of convenience to your life. This loft at 1101 Dodge Avenue Unit 203 is more than just a place to live. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Schedule your tour today and experience modern living at its finest in EVANSTON.